SeaWorld Orlando has finally unveiled some more information on their brand new family style coaster, Penguin Trek. Now, Penguin Trek is going to be opening in spring of next year, so spring of 2024. So, starting anytime in March, all the way to June, we can see this coaster unveil. This is going to be a brand new family coaster. So this is going to be able to have more of your families enjoy together as a group. Kids can ride it more. This is going to be a very good coaster for them to experience for the first time. So the height requirement is going to be 42 inches. Now that's great because for most people, that's a good gradual step up all the way from your Grover's Boxcar coaster ride all the way up to this, to even those higher ones of Mako, Manta, and Kraken, which are your 54 in height requirements. So more people will be, and more families will be able to enjoy this ride. Penguin Trek is going to cover about 3,020 feet of track length. But not only is this going to be a very long coaster, this is going to be an indoor/outdoor ride. And it's going to include 2 separate launches. And both of these launches are going to reach speeds of 43 miles an hour. Now, to me, that's a fantastic, it's amazing the fact that they're calling this a family ride, and the fact that this is going to be 43 miles an hour with 2 separate launches. I think this is going to be a great addition to the area. This is going to be designed by Bollinger and Mullibard, or B&M, as everyone is accustomed to. B&M is the SeaWorld brand coaster company. They are known for doing all of this stuff with SeaWorld and the parks. If you think about all the coasters that are built at SeaWorld Orlando, most of them are made by B&M. The exception being Boxcar Grover's mini coaster ride and the Icebreaker ride over by the Shamu Stadium area. So this is going to tie the most B&M coasters in a single amusement/theme park in the world. I will find out which other park they're going to be tied with, but that's huge. It's really now adds on because now you have this ride, which just comes right after SeaWorld opened up their new Pipeline Surf Coaster that just debuted just this spring. So you've got 2 brand new coasters debuting, one almost right after each other in 2 consecutive years. This is going to have a bobsled style coaster car. It's going to feel like that you're not bob style, a snowmobile style coaster car. So this is going to have a snowmobile style car, like riding a snowmobile in the Antarctic, riding around. That's what this is going to feel like. You're going to then, at the very end of your experience, you're going to come encounter with the penguin exhibit at the end of the experience, where it's going to not only take you there, but it's going to stop you and you're going to be able to see it. And this is going to be at the end of the Emperor Penguin attraction. This is going to be replacing that. And so that's a really cool thing to actually get, because we'll still get to experience the penguin exhibit, because once you get off of the coaster, you'll be able to go right in and walk around and see the penguin, just like you did before when it was still Emperor the Penguin. So as part of this being SeaWorld's experience, with it being a family attraction, it's going to be a learning experience talking about Antarctica, talking about the penguins, everything else. You're going to have your ambassadors there who are going to walk you through about the penguins and everything. So it's going to be an extremely fantastic experience overall for the company. I think this is a great addition. I think the theming is going to be absolutely amazing. I think the fact that they went with a family-style coaster for this area expands their horizons. When I started going to SeaWorld in mid-2015, they really only had these big, super big B&M coasters. Over the years, they've added in the Icebreaker coaster. They redid the back area to Sesame Street. They have added in Icebreaker. And now Pipeline Surf Coaster, which I still have not done yet, because I cannot afford a pass as of right now. So maybe that'll be something down the line we could work towards. And so SeaWorld has really taken a commitment of really focusing on being the true coaster capital of Central Florida. Because when it comes down to it, SeaWorld is really packing the most coasters into their small layout of a park. And this is really taking them away from the controversies and the years of plaguing them, to now finally giving them this rightful idea that they are an amusement/theme park, and trying to get that negative image away. And I really think that this is a great step into that next. Now, how will the ride experience be? I don't know. I'm really excited to see what it's going to be. I think it's a great addition. It's got some great little airtime hills, lots of tight little turns. But the fact is, this is going to be 3,000 feet of track. It's going to be a 3-minute long experience. So that's a fun little ride. And I wonder how this is going to play, how long the lines are going to be, how, what is the look like of it going to be when it comes to waiting in line? Because now you're going to have families being able to wait for these rides as well. But so SeaWorld Orlando really seems to be taking on a great step to getting to that next level. And really, this is going to add a new dynamic, because now you're not only focusing on the big rides, but you're not focusing on the family, and you're replacing a family ride of Emperor of the Penguins with Penguin Trek. So I think, in my mind, I think it's a great addition, but I want to know, what do you guys think? Do you guys think it's going to be a great addition to SeaWorld? Are you excited about Penguin Trek coming to SeaWorld Orlando? Let me know down in the comments. And with all that being said, as we finish up talking about the brand new Penguin Trek family coaster coming to SeaWorld Orlando Resort, we will see y'all next time.